whenever you see an ad, there is actually a lot of things that are going in the background to get that ad to the content that you have as a part of the app. So, the first thing that happens is the first main actor is the publisher, you yourself, right? Who's developed this content and is trying to actually monetize it in one form or the other. And when a user actually comes to your app or your content, and then they see a particular screen, that effectively loads up, and that the first request goes to the SSP, which is also called the publisher ad server, right? This is the place where a lot of refining can happen if there is some data augmentation that would also happen. And then finally, the request essentially flows onto the main exchange or the ad network, right? Here's where the matchmaking of sorts is going to happen between what is the kind of content that you have and what are the kind of bids that are available. On the other side of it, the DSP or the demand side platform, which is the advertiser's ad server, is responsible for sending the bids according to the campaigns that have been set by the advertiser, and they would send out requests to these ad exchanges. I think the fundamental part that you need to understand here is that all this cycle essentially happens within seconds or milliseconds in most of the cases to get that ad to your particular app or game, right? So it's important to note that there has to be a value that has to be added for everyone as a part of this cycle, right? So the advertiser needs their particular ROI or the ROAS that they are doing, which is the return on the ad spends that they are essentially making. And all these actors, they play together to get the final objective of making a value proposition for everyone else.